Have you ever noticed how quickly life can change because of a single unexpected step? One moment you're walking through your living room, heading to the kitchen, or stepping out to check the mail. The next moment, your foot catches on something, your body shifts unexpectedly, and you suddenly find yourself fighting to stay upright. For many older adults, falls don't happen during risky activity. They happen during ordinary moments. A simple turn, a missed step, a quick reach for an object, a moment of distraction. And while that reality can sound frightening, there is something incredibly encouraging. The human body is remarkably adaptable. Even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond, your muscles, nerves, and balance systems can continue learning and improving when given the right practice. That means balance isn't simply something you lose with age. It is something you can actively maintain and strengthen. Today, I'm going to share 6 practical exercises that can help improve stability, strengthen important muscle, increase body awareness, and build confidence in everyday movement. These exercises require very little space, no expensive equipment, and only a few minutes a day. More importantly, they focus on the kinds of movements that actually matter in real life. Because let's be honest, most falls don't happen when you're standing perfectly still. They happen while moving. They happen while reaching, turning, stepping, getting out of a chair, or recovering from a small loss of balance. That's exactly what we're going to train today. Before we begin, let's talk about safety. Always keep a sturdy chair, countertop, or wall nearby when practicing balance exercise. Wear supportive footwear, or go barefoot on a non-slippery surface if that feels comfortable and safe for you. If you've recently experienced a fall, have severe osteoporosis, significant dizziness, neurological conditions, or concerns about your mobility, speak with your healthcare provider before starting a new exercise routine. Remember, progress should feel challenging, but never painful. Now let's begin. Why balance becomes more difficult with age. Many people assume balance depends only on the inner ear. In reality, balance is a team effort. Your eyes provide information about your surrounding. Your inner ear helps detect movement and position. Your muscles and joints constantly send signals to your brain about where your body is located in space. Your brain then combines all of that information and tells your muscles how to respond. When we're younger, this process happens almost instantly. As we age, those signals can become slower and less efficient. Muscles may weaken, reaction times may decrease, joint mobility can become limited. As a result, small stumbles that once would have been corrected automatically can become more challenging. The good news is that many of these systems respond extremely well to regular training. Just a few minutes of practice each day can help sharpen communication between your brain and body. Think of it like tuning an instrument. The more consistently you practice, the better the performance. Exercise 1. Forward balance awareness. This first exercise may look simple, but it teaches your body something incredibly important. It helps improve awareness of where your center of gravity is located. Many falls begin when body weight shifts farther forward than expected. Training your body to recognize that shift can improve your ability to react quickly. Stand facing a corner or sturdy wall. Keep your feet approximately hip width apart. Stand tall with relaxed shoulders. Slowly allow your body to lean forward from the ankle. Avoid bending at the waist. Imagine your body moving as one solid unit. As you lean, notice the pressure increasing beneath the front of your feet. Before you feel the need to take a step, gently return to the starting position. Move slowly. Move deliberately. Repeat 10 times. As this becomes easier, you can gradually increase the distance of the lean while maintaining complete control. This exercise helps improve body awareness and activates important muscles throughout the feet, ankles, and lower legs. Exercise 2. Side-to-side weight transfer. Daily life constantly requires us to shift our weight. Every step, every turn, every reach, all involve transferring body weight from one side to the other. This exercise helps improve control during those movements. Stand behind a sturdy chair, rest your hands lightly on the backrest. Shift your body weight onto your right leg. Allow your left foot to become light and gently lift it an inch or two from the floor. Hold for 3 seconds. Return to center. Now shift to the opposite side. Hold again. Move slowly and smoothly. Avoid rushing. Complete 10 repetitions on each side. As your confidence improves, try using less support from the chair. Eventually, many people can perform this movement using only one fingertip for balance. This exercise strengthens the hips, improves ankle stability, and develops greater control during movement. Exercise 3. Heel-to-toe walking. Walking in a straight line challenges your balance system in a safe and controlled way. Find a hallway or clear area. Position one foot directly in front of the other. The heel of the front foot should touch or nearly touch the toes of the back foot. Walk slowly in this pattern, heel to toe, heel to toe, heel to toe. Continue for 10 to 15 steps. Turn around carefully and repeat. Keep your gaze directed forward whenever possible. Looking down constantly can reduce the challenge and limit the benefits. This exercise improves walking stability, coordination, concentration, and confidence while moving. Many physical therapists use similar walking drills because they closely resemble real-life balance challenges. Exercise 4. Standing marches. One common cause of falls is inadequate foot clearance. In simple terms, the foot doesn't lift high enough to clear an obstacle. A rug edge, a curb, a threshold, a crack in the sidewalk. Standing marches help train the muscles responsible for lifting the legs. Stand behind a sturdy chair. Hold the back lightly for support. Lift one knee toward your chest. Pause for 2 seconds. Lower it slowly. Repeat on the opposite side. Perform 10 repetitions per leg. Focus on control rather than speed. The lowering phase is especially important because it develops the strength needed for safe movement. As your balance improves, try performing the exercise without holding the chair. This movement strengthens the hips, improves coordination, and helps maintain a safer walking pattern. Exercise 5. Multidirectional. Reaching real life rarely requires movement in only one direction. We reach overhead, we bend sideways, we turn behind us. This exercise trains your body to remain stable while moving in different directions. Stand behind a chair. Hold lightly with one hand. Imagine standing in the center of a clock. Slowly reach 1 foot forward toward 12 o'clock. Return to center. Reach to the side. Return to center. Reach diagonally behind you. Return to center. Repeat several rounds before switching legs. Move slowly. Maintain an upright posture. Keep your supporting knee slightly bent. This exercise improves stability, mobility, coordination, and confidence during everyday activities. Exercise 6. Sit to stand training. If there is one movement almost everyone performs multiple times every day, it is getting up from a chair. Unfortunately, this is also a moment when many falls occur. The sit-to-stand exercise helps improve both strength and balance simultaneously. Sit near the front edge of a sturdy chair. Place your feet flat on the floor. Cross your arms over your chest. Lean slightly forward. Push through your feet and stand up slowly. Pause briefly, then lower yourself back down with control. Avoid dropping into the chair. Aim for 8 to 10 repetitions. If necessary, use your hands for assistance initially. Over time, gradually reduce the amount of help your arms provide. This exercise strengthens the thighs, hips, glutes, and core while improving movement confidence. The secret: most people miss consistency beats intensity. One of the biggest mistakes people make is believing they need long workouts. In reality, small amounts of practice performed consistently often produce better results. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't brush for 2 hours once a month. You brush a few minutes every day. Balance works much the same way. A minute here, a minute there, a few repetitions throughout the day. Those small efforts accumulate. Try practicing one exercise while waiting for coffee to brew, another while watching television, another before lunch, another before dinner. These short sessions are easy to maintain and fit naturally into daily life. Most importantly, they help your nervous system receive frequent reminders that strengthen movement patterns over time. The other half of fall prevention: leg strength. Balance is important, but balance alone is not enough. Imagine trying to catch yourself during a stumble. Even if your brain reacts quickly, your muscles must be strong enough to respond. Weak legs make recovery more difficult. Strong legs provide the power necessary to stop a small stumble from becoming a serious fall. The encouraging news is that muscle strength can improve at almost any age. Research repeatedly shows that older adults can build meaningful strength through regular exercise. You do not need expensive machines. You do not need a gym membership. You simply need consistency. A stronger lower body often leads to better mobility, greater confidence, easier walking, safer stair climbing, and improved independence. The goal is stay safe, stay strong. Every exercise we've discussed today serves a larger purpose. The goal is not simply to improve balance scores. The goal is freedom. The freedom to move confidently through your home, the freedom to enjoy walks, the freedom to visit family and friends, the freedom to continue living life on your own terms. Remember, meaningful change rarely happens overnight. It happens through small actions repeated consistently. One exercise, one day, 1 week, 1 month. Those small efforts can lead to remarkable improvements over time. Start where you are. Move at your own pace. Celebrate every bit of progress, because every step you take toward better balance is a step toward protecting your independence, your confidence, and your quality of life for years to come.